Have you ever noticed how Japanese homes seem to sparkle? Not just because they're clean, but because they feel calm, organized, and alive. It's not magic, it's method. For centuries, the Japanese have mastered the art of cleaning, not as a chore, but as a ritual of respect for their home, their food, and even their state of mind. Today, we're stepping into the heart of the Japanese home, the kitchen, to uncover 20 cleaning secrets that'll change the way you see your space forever. From ancient traditions to clever modern hacks, these are the same techniques that keep Japanese kitchens spotless, peaceful, and effortlessly functional. So grab your notebook, and let's get started. In Japan, cleaning is more than just a task. It's part of seiketsu, the cultural principle of cleanliness and order. It's tied to Shinto beliefs, where purity and harmony are sacred. Every corner of the kitchen, every utensil, and every surface deserves respect because it's where nourishment begins. Unlike in many places where cleaning is rushed or postponed, in Japan, it's ritualistic, a mindful practice that reflects gratitude for food and family. And nowhere is this clearer than in the kitchen, the beating heart of every Japanese home. Let's begin with the very first secret. 1. The as-you-go rule. Japanese kitchens rarely end the day in chaos because of one golden rule: clean as you go. When cooking, every used utensil is rinsed immediately, every spill is wiped instantly, and every cutting board is washed before the next ingredient touches it. This not only keeps bacteria away but also prevents stains and smells from setting in. It's a mindset. If you clean a little now, you'll never face a mess later. 2. The power of hot water and rice water. Before there were commercial cleaners, Japanese households used rice water, the milky liquid left after rinsing rice. Rich in starch, it naturally breaks down oil and grime on dishes and stovetops. Many still use it today, heated slightly to clean stainless steel, tiles, or greasy pots. It's eco-friendly, gentle, and deeply traditional, a reminder that simplicity often works best. 3. Tea leaves deodorizer. Instead of throwing away used green tea leaves, Japanese homemakers reuse them to absorb odors and add a fresh, earthy scent to the kitchen. They're spread on the floor before sweeping or used to scrub cutting boards and sinks. Tea's natural antioxidants also help fight bacteria, making this one of the most elegant zero-waste tricks from Japan. 4. The salt and vinegar duo. Before commercial sprays existed, salt and vinegar were Japan's trusted cleaning partners. A paste of salt and rice vinegar removes tough stains, sanitizes surfaces, and deodorizes drains naturally. The combination cuts grease without harsh chemicals, perfect for cleaning stove burners, faucets, and metal handles. 5. The no grease left behind pan method. Japanese cooks rarely dump oil straight into the sink. Instead, they wipe pans with old paper towels or newspaper before washing. This prevents clogging drains and keeps the kitchen smelling fresh. Some even sprinkle flour on greasy pans first, letting it absorb the oil before wiping it off. 6. The rice bran cloth secret. In many traditional Japanese homes, old cotton cloths are coated with nuka, or rice bran, a byproduct of polishing rice. These cloths, called nukabukuro, are used to polish wooden utensils, remove oil stains, and even clean lacquerware. It leaves a subtle sheen on surfaces and adds a faint, comforting rice aroma to the kitchen. 7. The vent hood ritual. Unlike in many homes where the kitchen vent is ignored for months, Japanese homemakers clean their range hoods and filters at least once a week. They soak them in hot, soapy water mixed with baking soda, then brush off the residue. Because in Japan, cleanliness isn't just what you see, it's what you can't see that truly matters. 8. The 10-minute rule. Every evening, many Japanese follow a 10-minute cleanup rule. After dinner, before bed, they spend just 10 minutes wiping surfaces, rinsing dishes, and refreshing the air. It prevents buildup, making deep cleaning days easier. The habit also resets the mind, turning the act of cleaning into quiet reflection. 9. Respect the cutting board. In Japan, wooden cutting boards are cared for like heirlooms. They're washed immediately after use, scrubbed with coarse salt, and left to dry upright in sunlight when possible. Some even place the board over a steaming pot to let the steam naturally sanitize it. The result? A board that lasts decades and never smells of onions or fish. 10. Minimalism, but less to clean. Walk into a Japanese kitchen, and you'll notice something missing. Clutter. Every item has a purpose, and excess tools are avoided. This minimalist mindset makes cleaning faster and more meaningful. The less you own, the more you care for what you keep. That's the heart of danshari, the Japanese art of decluttering and balance. 11. The wooden spoon philosophy. Japanese homes prefer wooden spoons, bamboo whisks, and chopsticks, not just for aesthetics, but for function. Wood absorbs less oil, doesn't scratch surfaces, and is naturally antibacterial. When washed gently and air-dried, wooden utensils last for years, reducing waste and keeping your drawers lighter. 12. Repurpose the old. Instead of buying new rags, Japanese families repurpose old cotton shirts or towels into reusable cleaning cloths called zokin. These are used wet for wiping surfaces or dry for dusting shelves and appliances. Zokin cloths are often washed, dried, and reused, a practice rooted in motenai, the Japanese principle of no waste. 13. The art of polishing, not just wiping. For the Japanese, wiping a surface isn't enough. It must shine. After cleaning, they polish taps, sinks, and stove knobs with dry microfiber cloths to bring out a reflective finish. It's a small step, but it makes the entire kitchen look newer and feel more alive. 14. Ice cube magic for garbage disposal. To freshen garbage disposals or sink drains, Japanese homemakers drop in ice cubes mixed with lemon peel or vinegar. The ice scrapes away grime while the citrus kills odor. It's an effortless way to keep one of the smelliest kitchen spots fresh. 15. Charcoal air purifiers. Instead of chemical sprays, many Japanese kitchens use binchoten charcoal, a traditional activated charcoal that absorbs moisture and odors. It's placed near the trash bin or refrigerator to naturally purify the air. A timeless example of how nature still outperforms modern chemicals. 16. Baking soda for everything. Japanese households treat baking soda like a universal cleaner. It's used to scrub stovetops, deodorize refrigerators, and even clean grout between tiles. Mixed with hot water and a few drops of vinegar, it becomes a powerful yet non-toxic cleaning agent. 17. Citrus peel cleaner. Instead of tossing orange or yuzu peels, they're soaked in vinegar for a week, creating a natural citrus cleaner. It leaves behind a glossy shine on countertops and a sweet, refreshing scent. In Japan, nothing goes to waste, not even a fruit peel. 18. The dish rack routine. In many Japanese kitchens, the dish rack isn't just for drying, it's cleaned daily. The base is wiped dry, and the tray beneath is disinfected to prevent mold. This attention to detail ensures no hidden buildup ruins the hygiene cycle. 19. Clean windows, clear mind. Japanese homemakers believe the kitchen window must stay clear and spotless because light symbolizes purity. A clean window allows sunlight to flow freely, energizing the kitchen and uplifting the spirit. They often use newspaper dampened with vinegar water, leaving the glass streak-free and shiny. 20. Cleaning as meditation. Finally, the most powerful Japanese cleaning secret isn't about products, it's about mindset. Cleaning is seen as a form of mindfulness. It's a quiet time to reflect, express gratitude, and restore harmony. In Buddhist temples across Japan, even monks begin their day by sweeping and wiping, not because things are dirty, but because cleanliness purifies the soul. When you treat cleaning as meditation, your kitchen becomes more than a space. It becomes peace itself. Now you've discovered 20 Japanese kitchen cleaning secrets that blend ancient wisdom with modern simplicity. But remember, this isn't about perfection, it's about connection. When you clean with care, you honor your food, your family, and yourself. So tonight, as you wipe down your counter or rinse your dishes, try doing it the Japanese way, slowly, mindfully, and with gratitude. Because in the quiet rhythm of cleaning lies the secret to a calm and beautiful life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves Japanese culture. And tell us in the comments, which of these cleaning secrets will you try first? Until next time, stay clean, stay calm, and keep your kitchen shining.